Good morning, my dear students of class 9. Now, chapter 3 is going on. Today's first topic, poverty estimates. Poverty estimates. In my previous lesson, I have already told you that poverty has become a challenge to the government of India. To the Indian government, poverty is a challenge. Government must have to take all efforts to remove poverty, because the number of poor people in India is more than 1/5, more than 20% still now. Okay. Now, what is the estimate? What is the poverty estimate? What is the poverty estimate now? Okay? You please open at page number 33. Page number 33, table 3.1. Table 3.1. While studying this book, you will open the book. Look at table 3.1. You will find so many data. You did not have to memorize all of them. What you need to know, let me write here. Poverty ratio. Poverty ratio. That is percentage. Poverty ratio and number of poor people. Number of poor people. Number of poor people. Okay? Poverty ratio and number of poor people. Here. 1993, 94. Okay? 93, 94. That is near about 50 years. Okay? 97 is 50. Now 93, 94, near about 50 years after. What is the poverty ratio? 50.7. Oh, of course. I will have to write here rural, urban, and total. Okay? 1993, 94. What is the poverty ratio in the rural area in 1993-94? 50.7. In your book, it is written 507. No, it is 50.7. 50.7. That is, let me write everything, then I will explain. Okay? Now, 2011-12. 2011-12, it is 26. Rural. What about urban? 32-14. What is the total? 45-22. Okay. You will have to remember only these data, not the whole that is given in the table 3.1. Now let me explain. You see, in 1993-94, that is about 50 years after independence, 45% people of India are poor. 45% India. And among them, you see, in the rural area, 50.7%. That is more than 50% people. More than half of the total population lives under poverty line, lives below poverty line. Just you see, in the urban area, a picture is a bit better. In the urban area, a picture is a bit better. What is the total ratio? It is 45. Now in 2011-12, it is 22. Now at present, it is near about 20. Okay, at present it is near about 20. I was telling you, there more than 1/5, 22, more than 1/5 live below poverty line. Only these data you will have to remember. Understand the matter? Okay. Now number of poor people. What is the number of poor people? You need not have to learn by heart the rural and urban area. No. You did not have to do it for this case. For this case only total. For this case you will only learn the total. That will be. Okay, you will learn only the total. You see, here is 404 and now it is 270. It is in million. Number of people in million. That is more than 40 crores. The million, more than 40 crores. More than 40 crores in 1993, 94, and now it is 270 crores. Okay? Now it is 270 crores. Okay? 27. No. 270 million. That is 27 crores. 27 crores. At the beginning also you studied that it was 27 crores. 2011 here it is 27 crores. So you see that number of poor people is decreasing. Number of poor people is decreasing. One abnormal figure is there. Okay, yeah, almost 10 years after, you will see that it is 407. But here you will see that it is decreasing. It is 37. Okay, here you will see that it has decreased. Yeah, okay, it has decreased. Here you will see 2002-3 or something like that. 2002-3, it has decreased 45 to 37. But percentage has decreased. Percentage has decreased. But number of poor people has increased. How? Percentage has decreased, but number of poor people has increased. Because population has increased. Population has increased. That is why, in spite of decreasing percentage, number of poor people have increased a bit. Okay? You will have to learn by heart only these things, not the whole of the table. Okay? Only these things you can remember. If I can remember it, you can also remember it, no matter at all. Alright? This you will have to know about poverty estimates in figure in the table 3.1. Okay? Am I to repeat? You see, in the rural area it is 50.7, urban area 32. Okay, now total 45%, total 45%. 2011-12, 45 has decreased to 22%. Poverty ratio percentage is 22%. In the rural area, it has decreased up to 26, and in the urban area, it has decreased up to 14. Only these figures you will have to remember. And number of poor people, these figures you will not have to remember. You will have to remember only this. That it has decreased from 93-94, 40.4 crores, now it is 27 crores. Alright? Let me pass on to next video. Okay, next topic. Pass on to next topic. My next topic is vulnerable groups. Vulnerable groups. Vulnerable groups. You can remember the two new terms as described by social scientists. Two new terms. Social exclusion. One term was social exclusion and the other was vulnerability. Now we are talking about vulnerable groups. Again, let me repeat. Vulnerability. Okay? Vulnerability means greater probability, greater possibility of becoming poor and remaining poor for years. Okay? For the coming years. Vulnerability describes the situation where there is greater possibility of people being affected when bad time comes. I give you examples of